In this video, we'll look at the hash value tool. It converts a regular value, such as an email address or phone number, into a hash. This is useful when the receiving system expects data in a hashed format instead of plain text. Hashing is commonly required when sending data to advertising platforms, APIs, or webhooks. The same input value always produces the same hash, allowing different systems to match data correctly. Let's look at an example, sending contact data from BotHelp to the Facebook Conversions API. Along the way, the phone number is hashed, so it reaches Facebook in the format it requires. A BotHelp trigger sends the subscriber and event data. Then 3 steps follow. Format the phone, hash it, and send it on. A formatting step puts the phone number into the format you need, so the value is clean and consistent before it gets hashed. Choose the algorithm you need, then point the value at the formatted number. Hash value handles the rest. Map hash value result into the Facebook Conversions API step, right next to the event data. There are 2 things to remember. Hashing is not encryption and does not fully anonymize data. Also, data should be standardized before hashing. Even a small difference in the input value will produce a completely different hash. That's it. You can now generate hashes directly in your automations. For more details, check out the full article using the link below.